Hello again, it's Priscilla Batzell from Expressionist Art Studio Gallery in the backyard, hanging out really close to the microphone on my camera so I can show you that thing that I'm focused on that I can't live with anymore. So we're going to fix that right now. Part 2, coming right up. Let's zoom out and move over and call it good. Okay, I'm going to focus one more time just in case we need to. And then I'm going to pull out my white paint. And make sure it's my white paint, because I think I can fix that. I am going to just take my white paint, it's well shaken, and use my skewer. I might have to wait until tomorrow to see. And I might want to round up the rest of that planet, but I don't think well, I'm calling it a planet, but it's not really a planet. Anyway, maybe if I just take a little bit of the edge off that and drop a little pink. I have some brand new pink that I'm playing with today. This will be a great experiment to see how it works. Just change up that color so it doesn't lead the eye right into the other mass. And I have some pretty blue. And it may not be perfect, but it'll be a whole lot less irritating to me than it was. I'm going to fix this right here by putting a dot of that there. I just want to make the color not a solid color so I can fool the eye a little. Just a little trompe-l'oeil. Add a little dot of gold because I can, which is the name of my book on the Amazon link. You know I can't resist telling you. I don't think that's ever going to fool anyone, but it'll make me feel better. And who knows, maybe I'll go back in and someday, maybe not, I was going to say fill in the rest of that planet. Look, there's a lump of white stuff in there. Alright, so that's kind of different than it was, and that was the point. And I think that's all there is to that, and I'm not going to saddle you guys with anything other than the fact that I can wipe off that skewer so there's no residual, and touch a couple of places that I might want to get rid of. Some schmutz, little spatters, nothing major. If I just leave a little dot of paint, they'll blend right in. Little crumbs. Oh look, there's lots of them over here. Okay, well, some of them will go away. Some of them will probably be there forever. Some of them I can live with, and some of them are just too splattery. I probably shouldn't try even rounding that out because orange is hard to get rid of. But otherwise, I'm still fairly pleased. This is a fun piece. And we'll see how it looks tomorrow when it's dry, but it will look better than it did today before I did that. I just want to, just a little more. It's a free-floating asteroid. What can I say? I wonder if I can get away with fixing just another little place to make it a little more round. I'm letting my OCD get the better of me. I don't want to take this bottom corner off. Corner? Yeah, there's a corner there. Not really. I also don't want to stick my arm in any more of this. Alright, so I'm done. This was Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida, in the backyard. Seeing that other thing I want to go away is probably a bad idea to try and fix. But since I'm still here and you're still here, I'll have to share the dry version. I see that little seed that just blew in. and who knows where. Get rid of that, and that, and that too at the same time. And I'm still pretty good with that. Although, the more I look, the more I see little things I want to go away. But I should probably not be worried about. I'm just dotting them. I got one more. And then I'll really try and be gone this time. Okay, I love you guys. Thank you for pretty much 54,000 subscribers. You guys rock. Thank you very much. Watch as much of the videos as you can. I would appreciate it. And in the last 20 seconds of this video, you're going to see end screens that will show you a playlist with 511, or at least it was when I made this. I see that thing. Videos that you can watch should you happen to like them. And I've made a couple new playlists with just the scapes and the flowers, and one with just swipes. So if you're looking for those things, you'll find them by looking on the for the playlists. Alright, so I love you guys, and I'll see you soon. Hopefully in the next video. Don't forget to shop my Amazon link at no added cost to you. And remember, my book is called Because I Can, and there's an ebook as well as a paperback. Alright, I'll see you soon. Bye for now. Priscilla out.